Ian told me that when they were in Greenwich Village in New York, they would meet at a place called the Kettle of Fish every night. And one night Dylan came in there and said, I just wrote a new song and I want to see what y'all think about it. Well, the song was Blowing in the Wind. And Ian said that he went home that night and told his wife, Sylvia, well, I think I can write a song that good. And he sat down in about 15 minutes, wrote Four Strong Winds, which is it's the national anthem of Canada. It's the most popular song in Canadian history. And that's how it came to be.